Let's read some Sprinter, British Rail. The Sprinter is a family of diesel multiple-unit trains in use on the British railway system. They were built in the 1980s and early 1990s by British Rail Engineering Limited, Metro-Cammell and Leyland. The British Rail Class 150 Sprinter is a class of diesel hydraulic multiple-unit passenger trains, developed and built by British Rail Engineering Limited at York Carriage Works between 1984 and 1987 for use on regional services across Great Britain. The British Rail Class 151 was a prototype class of diesel multiple-unit developed and constructed by the British railway equipment manufacturer Metro-Cammell. It was designed primarily to serve as a successor to the earlier first-generation Heritage, operated by the British Rail. The British Rail Class 153 Super Sprinter are single-coach diesel hydraulic railcars which were converted from two-coach Class 155 diesel multiple units in the early 1990s. British Rail Class 150 pound-sign prototypes. The British Rail Class 155 is a diesel multiple-unit passenger train. These DMs were built by Leyland Bus at Workington between 1986 and 1987 as part of Branch's replacement of its aging first-generation diesel fleet. The British Rail Class 156 Super Sprinter is a diesel hydraulic multiple-unit passenger train. A total of 114 sets were built between 1987 and 1989 for British Rail by Metro-Cammell's Washwood Heath Works. They were built to replace elderly first-generation DMs and locomotive-hauled passenger trains. Class 157 Strathclyde Sprinter was the designation applied to a range of diesel multiple-unit trains of the Sprinter family which were planned for regional use in the United Kingdom. An order was placed in 1993 for 21 two-car units by Strathclyde Passenger Transport Executive, and further orders were expected. The British Rail Class 158 Express Sprinter is a diesel multiple-unit passenger train. It is a member of the Sprinter series of regional trains, produced as a replacement for British Rail's first. The British Rail Class 159 is a class of British diesel multiple-unit passenger trains of the Sprinter family, built in 1989 to 1992 by British Rail Engineering Limited's Derby Litchard's Lane Works as Class 158.